कि यहाँ के लोगों के पास इंटरनेट और सिम तो देखो अलाउड ही नहीं होती है।
This YouTuber from Haryana has been arrested for spying for Pakistan.
जैसे कि पाकिस्तान में आके पाकिस्तानी सूट, पाकिस्तानी जुत्ती।
6 Indian nationals, including a Haryana-based travel blogger, have been arrested for allegedly leaking sensitive information to Pakistani operatives. According to police, the network spanned across Haryana and Punjab, with key players acting as agents, financial couriers, and informants. Among those arrested was Jyoti Malhotra, who ran a YouTube channel called Travel with Joe. Authorities said she visited Pakistan in 2023 after obtaining a visa through commission agents.
लास्ट टाइम मेरा हाशमी का जो काजल होता है ना, यहाँ का सुरमा, वो मिस हो गया।
During her trip, she reportedly developed close ties with Ehsan ur Rahim, alias Danish, a staff member at the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi. Danish, who was declared persona non grata and expelled by the Indian government on 13 May 2025, allegedly introduced Jyoti to several Pakistani intelligence operatives, PIOs. Using encrypted platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Snapchat, Jyoti stayed in touch with these operatives, including Shakir, alias Rana Shehbaz, whose number she saved as Jat Randhawa. She was accused of sharing sensitive information about Indian locations and promoting a favorable image of Pakistan on social media. Investigators claimed she entered into an intimate relationship with a PIO and even traveled with him to Bali, Indonesia. She also continued coordinating with Danish during this time in Delhi, further raising suspicions. Jyoti was booked under Section 152 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and Section 3, 4 and 5 of the Official Secrets Act 1923. Following her written confession, the case was handed over to the Economic Offences Wing, Hisar. Another arrest includes 32-year-old Ghazala, a Muslim widow from Maler Kotla, Punjab. Along with Yamin Mohammed, she allegedly assisted Danish with financial transactions and visa facilitation, allegedly manipulated through emotional and monetary inducements. In Kaithal, Haryana, Devinder Singh Ghillon, a Sikh student, was recruited during a pilgrimage to Pakistan and later sent videos of the Patiala cantonment. From New Haryana, Arman was found supplying Indian SIM cards, transferring funds, and visiting the Defence Expo 2025 site on Danish's instructions. Officials say the case is part of a broader espionage operation that exploited vulnerable individuals using emotional connections, financial incentives, and false promises of marriage. The accused have reportedly confessed, and the investigation is ongoing.